Hi guys, this is Josh Chick here, and for today's video I'm going to show you on how to use the camera remote control of your D28 smartwatch. Let's go! Alright guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Josh here, and for today's video I'm going to show you on how to use the remote camera control of our D28 smartwatch. So first is let's just go to our Fit Pro application, and we are going to the setting, and let's press remote take photos. So it said here Fit Pro would like to access the camera, and just click OK, and OK. So your smartwatch will automatically go to the camera mode, and when you press the circle button it will take pictures. So let's try guys. So we have here the picture of our parrot, which is actually not in a good position. So let's click the circle icon, and it is, yeah, it already took our picture guys. So for you to find the pictures, just kindly go to your gallery, and there you can see your parrot. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's just how easy it is to use the camera remote control of your D28 smartwatch. Okay guys, so if you have any questions guys, just comment down below, and if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this has been Josh, and I'll see you soon.